excellent education with the best environment for your children in Keen Panel School. Today, we have 2,500 children in different campuses of Keen Panel School across the city.
As the principal of Campus One, for the last 5 years, I am dedicated to fostering growth and excellence at KPS School. At KPS School, we are empowering our students with the skills to earn dollars through online platform, turning the dream to make Pakistan the Silicon Valley of South Asia into a reality.
KPS provides the best learning environment to our preschoolers that ensure the character buildings with hands-on activities and digital literacy.
Our goal is to give students a caring, supportive, and secure environment where they feel valued. We believe every child is unique with KPS. We embrace individuality to unlock their full potential.
Sports help us stay fit and active. At school, we enjoy activities like running, jumping, and exercises. They make us strong and teach us teamwork.
KPS has provided me with a strong foundation for a bright and successful future.
I am a proud KPSian as KPS has empowered me to achieve an outstanding goals and results.
Thank you KPS for shaping me to the person what I am today.